I've been down, baby. Baby, reminiscing. Baby, I'm missing you. Wish it was different than what it was. I've been down, baby. Lost in the long past. Lost in no finding love.
We're gonna come back tomorrow to see what's going on with the Black Friday deals. We're gonna get with the 1 2 1 2. Okay? Alright, love. Let go. Okay. That's that beep beep noise. They move the stuff around. They have a lot of stuff in here. Let me know what you guys thought about the stoves. Now we can really look at the refrigerators and see what's the 411 on them. To look at the refrigerators, okay? Y'all want to look at the wash machine and dryers? Y'all do, I can show y'all 1 2 1 2, okay? But let's see. Right here they have some wash machine and they're going to sell as well. So don't walk, run to your neighborhood Home Depot. Get these great deals on appliances, okay? But I'll let you guys take a quick look at the wash machine and dryers, okay? Be right back. Ooh, okay, y'all, listen. We already looked at the stoves. We already looked at the wash machine and dryers. Now, let's get into these refrigerators, okay? Same day, okay? The day is November the 17th, 2025. Let's have to get into the refrigerator, see what good deals Home Depot have on the refrigerators, okay? Y'all ready? Let's go. Let's go. Okay, this is the first beauty I walked on, but I'm not loving Samsung. I bought a wash machine and dryer. It didn't do good. It didn't sit well with me, but y'all see this one for $17 and it's on sale for now $1,000. That's what it said. Okay? Let's see what happens. If you guys interested in this name brand. But yeah, let's open it like this. It was too tight to that wall. So yeah, we can't open it too wide because of the way they have them set up. They have it too close to here, so the refrigerator not gonna open up, and this one too close to here. Okay, let's see, we can't go down here. A little too small at the bottom of the freezer for me. That's enough for me. I won't leave that one out. $5.98. Regular 6. Oh, well, this is a deep freezer. It's not a refrigerator. Yes, a deep freezer. Okay, let's go to this one. Frigidaire. Okay. Oh, this a whole lot right here. Look at that. That'll hold a whole lot. Milk, water jugs. Oh, that's big. It's nice. I like it a lot. I like it. I like it a lot. Okay, put your little snacks and stuff down here. Okay, this is nice and roomy. You can put a lot down here. Of course, you see, look here. Excuse me, y'all. And this one don't have an ice maker, but of course, got an ice maker tray in here. Get with the pup fam. Okay, let's see if this one gets soft close. And it is. Excuse me here. Okay, y'all. Y'all like this one? Okie dokie. Okay, there's another one. Don't have an ice maker again. Okay, she was regular 19 and she's going for 14. And again, this is a nice light-ish. Yeah, that's nice and roomy. Nice and roomy. Closed sesame. How you doing? All right. There you go. Okay. I like it. That smell. LG.
Supposed to place right down 30.
Okay, loves, I apologize for that. Somebody was talking to me, but look at this baby. Yeah, she got a lot of room. A lot of room. Oh, I like that. You see the details? Little diamond shape in the drawer. Okay, look at this. Let's close the top. Once again, this don't have ice maker. We have a nice tray in here. Bingo. Her clothes by herself. You don't even have to push it.
Just to say how much you mean to me. If I told you you were beautiful, would you take me on the regular? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl.
Big and roomy.
This ring here represents my heart. But there's just one thing I need from you. I can see your soul.
It's cute. Look, we have the breast this. Open it. It's nice and roomy. Yes, all right. I like it. I like this one, but once again, I think this. Get into it.
This ring here represents my heart. Everything that you've been waiting for.
Okay, y'all. Those in the back are the ones without the ice maker. So we're gonna look at the ones with the ice maker. Did y'all see how neat that refrigerator just closed, soft closed by itself? They're making all kind of stuff. But I'm impressed with the white appliances. I thought they did away with the white appliances, but evidently they didn't. They still got them back in motion, baby. Anyway, let's look at the refrigerators with the ice makers, okay? Y'all ready? Let's go. So deep. Oh, they have a lot of room in this one, y'all. This is nice. Let's close that first. Let's see if this one's gonna do the soft close like that other one did. Nope. This one's not gonna do a soft close. But that's the Whirlpool. I'm so sick of Samsung. I don't like Samsung, but it coming out with some pretty stuff. This is a no for me. I don't like that. Very nice. But this one is nice. Cold to, how y'all see it? Cold to coolness. For 16. Pretty much done seen these without the ice makers. Oh, this is nice. This one going for 17. I like this. Ice maker. Let's see. Let's open this one up. Once again, I don't like that right there.
What's happening to me in the dark? Can you tell me what it means? Leave my head on my pillow. Staring out the window.
Next. This is nice and deep. Keep your ice cream and soda. Not too much from down here. This is nice. It's nice. They don't have plain on not too much more. Small man. It's small to me, but it's pretty. And it costs a lot of money to be that small. Okay, love, that's gonna end my tour. It's gonna end my tour for the walkthrough in Home Depot, looking at the refrigerators. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it's giving you an idea if you're interested in buying some more appliances. come over to Home Depot. They're having an awesome sale. And pick you up one or two, okay? With that being said, I love you guys. Till the next time with me, Mama Dot. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Tell a friend to come over here and see what your girl doing. Mama Dot. Yay!
I'm in love, baby. Baby, baby, listen. Baby, I'm missing your wishes. Living what it was. I'm in love, baby. No, I'm still in love.